So you want to know how to get this look and how to get this look to last all day. And the products being used in achieving this look is super duper affordable, right? Okay, so fresh face, early in the morning, I'm tired, moisturizing my face. All the products that are used will be listed in the description bar. But this setting spray by Milani, it's called Make It Last. It's really affordable and it's in the drugstores. And when I say this is the best primer that I have found for my combination oily skin, and with that Milani primer and those two foundations, which is the Maybelline Superstay and the Maybelline Matte and Poreless, I swear my face stays flawless the entire day. I work 12 to 13 hour shifts on the regular. And recently I've started wearing makeup again and back to work. So this combination of the Milani and the Maybelline foundations, I promise you, on average, maybe 3 to 4 times a day, I'm being complimented on my makeup. I'm being complimented on how good my skin looks. I am being complimented on how flawless it looks after several hours of wear. So, no need to ramble. I love this foundation. It lasts all day. I have combination oily skin and I get oily in my T-zone. And with this Milani setting spray and these two foundations that I mix together, I promise you, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with how my makeup looks. It lasts all day. So if you decide to try it, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Tell me what you think. So that means if you choose to buy it, you're going to come back and comment and like, listen, okay, I tried it, you were right. Or it didn't quite work for me. But I'm telling you, I have tried this combo with several other factors included. Like I would powder down my face before I put on the foundation. And then I realized that with that cocktail of the Milani setting spray and the two foundations, that it made my face too dry. Then I've done it where I did not use the Milani setting spray. I used a regular primer that I usually use, which is the Black Radiance matte primer. I still got oily. But with just moisturizing my face, spraying my face with the Milani setting spray, applying these two foundations, I look flawless all day. And if you agree, go try these products and let me know. So seeing that you've made it all the way, we're almost at the end now. I've earned the right to harass you, right? So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, because you've gotten this far. That means you like the content. 2, the takeaway point in this, and I really want you to know, because this is the whole purpose of this video, is the Milani setting spray as your primer. Not as your face setting spray, but as your primer. And the Maybelline foundation, either mixed together or on their own, but I prefer mixed together because I get the full coverage of the super stay and the skin-like appearance of the matte and poreless. Try it. And you most likely already have some of these products, but come back and let me know how you liked it. Okay, I'm done. Be blessed. Mwah!